Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of squids, some of the most intriguing creatures in the ocean. Squids play a crucial role in marine ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey in the food chain. They're not only essential to the ocean's balance, but also one of the most sought-after seafood items worldwide, known for their unique taste and impressive nutritional benefits. In this video, we'll explore how modern technology is revolutionizing squid fishing, the processes behind their processing, and the efforts being made to ensure sustainable squid populations for future generations. If you're curious about how the squid industry works and the science behind it, stick with us, and let's get started. Squids are fascinating marine animals that serve a crucial role in the ocean's food chain. They are both predators and prey, feeding on smaller fish and plankton while being an important food source for larger marine creatures such as fish, whales, and seabirds. There are over 300 species of squid, varying in size, behavior, and habitat, ranging from shallow coastal waters to deep ocean environments. Squids are known for their remarkable ability to adapt to their surroundings, with specialized features like tentacles, a large head, and the ability to change colors for camouflage and communication. These abilities make squids highly efficient in catching prey and avoiding predators. Squids are rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals, making them a popular food choice around the world. They are relatively low in fat and calories, which contributes to their increasing popularity in the global market as a healthy dietary option. Additionally, squids have a unique texture and flavor that make them a prized ingredient in various cuisines, from Italian calamari to Japanese sushi. As demand for squid continues to grow, so does the need for more efficient and sustainable fishing practices to keep up with global consumption. However, the rise in demand for squid also raises concerns about the long-term health of squid populations and marine ecosystems. The fishing industry must balance the need to meet consumer demand with the responsibility to protect marine life. Overfishing is a significant risk, as unregulated fishing could deplete squid populations and harm the environment. To address these challenges, the industry is implementing new technologies and sustainable practices to ensure that squid populations remain viable for future generations. This video will explore the technologies used in squid fishing, the process of harvesting, and the efforts being made to make squid fishing more sustainable. The evolution of squid fishing is a story of technological innovation and adaptation. In the past, squid fishing was done using simple methods such as hand lines, nets, and traps. While these methods were effective to a degree, they were often time-consuming and inefficient, requiring large amounts of labor for relatively small catches. Over the years, as the demand for squid increased, the fishing industry developed more sophisticated technologies to improve the efficiency of catching squid while reducing the impact on the environment. One of the major advancements in squid fishing technology is the squid jigging machine, which uses artificial light to attract squid to the surface of the water. Squid are naturally drawn to bioluminescence, so these lights mimic the natural glow of marine organisms that squid prey on. This method not only increases the catch rate, but also reduces bycatch, the unintended capture of non-target species such as fish, turtles, or seabirds. By attracting squid to the surface, fishermen can target them more effectively, minimizing the harm to other marine life. Modern squid fishing boats are equipped with advanced sonar systems and GPS technology. Sonar helps locate schools of squid by emitting sound waves that bounce off underwater objects, allowing fishermen to find squid in deeper waters. GPS systems ensure accurate navigation, even in remote areas, helping vessels stay on course and avoid entering illegal or restricted fishing zones. These technologies have made squid fishing more precise, increasing efficiency and reducing the time spent searching for squid. Sustainability is also a key focus in modern squid fishing. The industry has implemented catch quotas to prevent overfishing and ensure that squid populations remain healthy. Many squid fisheries now operate under eco-certifications, such as the Marine Stewardship Council, which ensures that fishing practices are environmentally responsible. These efforts help maintain balance in the ecosystem, ensuring that squid can continue to thrive while meeting the growing demand for this valuable marine resource. Squid fishing is a specialized activity that requires understanding squid behavior and using advanced techniques to catch them efficiently. Since squid are nocturnal, they are most active at night, making nighttime the ideal time for fishing. Fishermen use bright lights to attract squid to the surface of the water, where they can be caught with specialized equipment. This light-based attraction is a critical component of modern squid fishing, as it draws squid to the area where they can be easily captured. The primary method used for squid fishing today is jigging, which involves using lures, or jigs, that imitate the movement of small fish or other prey that squid hunt. These jigs are often equipped with flashing lights to make them more enticing to squid. Jigging can be done manually, where a fisherman carefully maneuvers the lures to attract squid, or automatically using machines that perform the task with greater speed and efficiency. Automated systems, often mounted on fishing vessels, have revolutionized the process, allowing for higher catch rates and less human intervention. In addition to jigging, modern squid fishing vessels are equipped with sonar technology to detect squid schools beneath the surface. Squid often live at varying depths depending on the species and time of day, and locating them without sonar would be extremely difficult. Sonar helps fishing crews find squid more easily by emitting sound waves and interpreting the echoes that bounce back from underwater objects, including squid. This technology allows vessels to fish in deeper waters, expanding the areas in which squid can be caught and increasing the overall catch yield. The use of GPS further enhances the efficiency of squid fishing. GPS systems help vessels navigate in large open seas, ensuring that they remain on course and do not stray into protected or overfished areas. With accurate navigation, boats can target specific areas with high squid populations, making their operations more effective. As squid fishing becomes more technologically advanced, the industry is also focused on sustainability. Fishing quotas, bycatch reduction measures, and selective fishing techniques help minimize the ecological impact of the industry, while ensuring a steady supply of squid for the market. After being caught, squid are processed quickly to preserve their quality and freshness. The first step in processing is to clean the squid by removing the internal organs, ink sac, and beak. The ink sac, which contains a dark pigment used by squid as a defense mechanism, is sometimes harvested for culinary purposes, as squid ink is a valued ingredient in many dishes, particularly in Mediterranean and Asian cuisine. Once cleaned, squid can be processed in several ways, depending on the final product desired. One of the most common methods for preserving squid is freezing. Flash freezing is often used to lock in the squid's freshness and maintain its texture. Squid are typically frozen on the boat or in a nearby processing facility shortly after being caught, which prevents spoilage and ensures that the squid retains its high quality. Flash freezing helps to preserve the squid's natural flavor, which is essential for maintaining its market value. Frozen squid are then shipped globally, where they are used in a variety of seafood dishes. In addition to freezing, squid can be canned or packaged fresh. Canning squid is a popular method in some regions, where it is prepared in various sauces or preserved for long shelf life. Fresh squid is often sold to local markets or used in restaurants that emphasize fresh seafood. For more specialized products, squid may be dried or smoked. Dried squid, which is a popular snack in many countries, is typically sun-dried or machine-dried to remove moisture and extend shelf life. Smoked squid, which imparts a unique flavor, is often sold as an upscale product in gourmet food markets. Another significant area of squid processing is the production of value-added products, such as calamari. Squid rings are coated in breadcrumbs and deep-fried to create a popular appetizer or snack. The preparation of calamari requires careful handling to maintain the squid's tenderness, as overcooking can lead to a rubbery texture. Automated systems in processing plants help streamline the sorting, cleaning, and packaging of squid, improving efficiency and ensuring consistency in the final product. Processing facilities are increasingly automated, with machines designed to handle each step of the process, from cleaning and sorting to freezing and packaging. Automation ensures that squid are processed quickly, hygienically, and consistently. The use of automated systems helps maintain product quality and reduces labor costs. The goal of squid processing is to preserve the freshness, texture, and flavor of the squid while extending its shelf life for global distribution. The advancements in processing technology have made it possible for the industry to meet the growing demand for squid while maintaining high-quality standards and minimizing waste. Thank you so much for watching until the end. We hope you enjoyed learning about squids, their fishing techniques, the processing methods, and the sustainability efforts in place to protect them. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments. We love engaging with you and we'll be happy to discuss any ideas or feedback. Take care, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.